How to enjoy better affiliate marketing returns. There is so much knowledge out there on the internet about affiliate marketing. Many people think that it is difficult to know what to do. The thing to do is use all the tips you think you can apply to your affiliate marketing endeavors. Here are some tips that you can use for affiliate marketing. You should choose an affiliate marketing program that will give you access to real-time sales statistics and information, so that you can track precisely how many sales your website has made. Real-time data lets you judge exactly how different promotions are working so that you will know what to do to maximize your earnings. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you're always putting out good content. If you have old content that's outdated, customers might get turned away. A simple way to keep your old content good is by placing a link to more current content on your website. Use Twitter to tweet about an affiliate offer. Affiliate links work great with Twitter because people that follow you on Twitter will usually trust your ads. Just make sure the products you are advertising are useful to your followers so you can keep those customers in the future. A great affiliate marketing tip is to disguise your affiliate link. Sometimes marketers will try to scam you by simply changing your link around so that they'll receive your commission. You can avoid this by disguising your link. An easy way to disguise your link is by making it redirect to a domain or page. Never sign any affiliate agreement that includes an exclusivity clause. If you are forced to only sell items from one company, and that company ends up with a bad reputation for one reason or another, then you won't be able to switch to another company to keep your website alive. Merge affiliate links into your content for increased click-through rates. If you're discussing a book you just finished and you loved, that will entice people to click through to purchase it for themselves. And video comparing tablets should have links to purchase each one on your affiliate's website. The more natural the links seem, the more likely people are to click them. Just as stated in the beginning of the video, you have to use what tips you think you can apply to help in your affiliate marketing success. The tips here should be able to help you with your decision making and guide you to the right path. Make sure you apply the advice from the video and you should be on your way to making money in no time. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.